Hello YouTube subscribers, and I am going to share with you today something I received in the mail. It was an Instagram contest winning that I received from a company called Khala Company. They are a wax wrap company based in Colorado. And if you don't know what wax wraps are, they are an alternative to plastic wrap. I don't know why that was so hard for me to kind of think of that word, but I guess it's because I haven't really been using plastic wrap since I have been really big on using wax wraps when I'm wrapping my food to put it in the fridge. Okay, and I will show you what I have received. It is this bag with a zero on it. It is essentially a zero waste bag, which I love that little pun right there because I do a lot of web programming and graphic design, so I'm a bit of a nerd, and I got really excited about this water bottle because my pink water bottle is all beat up, especially at the bottom. And another thing I like about this bottle by Eco Vessel is that this bottom part kind of just comes off like that, and you can kind of put it back on. And I'm always kind of dropping it, and it gets all dented at the bottom. And another feature that this has is it has a strainer, stainless steel outer and a stainless steel inner, a vacuum center, a copper inner, and a protective bumper. So that's what this is. So I will just pop this open, and it just kind of goes like that. So that is pretty cool. I like this new water bottle. And then inside the bag is the utensil set, which is great for camping. I would love to use that sometime. And this is the rest of the bag. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so this is a Khala company wax wrap. So let's see. This one is beeswax based, and it comes with mini, small, medium, and large. And large is usually good for bread, so I cannot wait to use this. And it even has their own little print on it. Khala Company. And a spork, a wooden spork, which is zero waste kit on it. That's pretty awesome. And what else is in the bag? I feel like I'm doing a magic trick. A straw, but it's not any old straw. It has like a little bendiness. Stainless steel. Comes with a cleaner. Perfect. Okay, let's see what else. This is a to-go bag, a Chico bag, so it fits in your pocket. And say you forgot to bring grocery bags, but aha, it's in my pocket. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This is like some sort of napkin which keeps your utensils. So not only does it double up as a napkin, but you also put your utensils in there. La la. And can I say I really love this work. And that's everything. I am glad I shared this with you. I hope you support some of these companies. If you liked some of the items, I will list them below. As you may know, a lot of small businesses are suffering right now because of what's happening in the world. Less people are going out and buying things. So if you please support your local businesses, and also some of the ones that you might have liked in this video. Just check them out below and be sure to subscribe.